Yes. So can anyone tell me what we have seen yesterday? Which machine we learned yesterday?
Milli machine and more machine.
Correct. Correct. So milli machine and Moore machine, two machines we talked yesterday. These two machines are of the type of finite automata, which gives the output. Which gives the output. So they are also called as output machines. So every time when it will read the input, it will give the output. It will produce the output. That output may be 0, 1, A, B, C as per the application. Few point regarding these machines. Very first is it is a deterministic machine. Moore and Milli both are the deterministic machine. Then for every input, they produces the output. For every input, they produces the output. Yes, any another point you want to raise regarding Moore and Milli machine, which we learned yesterday? Okay, among these two, Moore and Milli machine, which shows the output on transition? Which machine shows the output on transition?
Milli machine.
Milli machine, correct? So it will give on the transition like what is the input backslash and what is the output, correct? But in contrast to that, Moore machine, in Moore machine, output is associated with the state instead of transition. So whenever any Moore machine resides in some state, that state is representing one output. That state is representing either 0, 1, accept, A, B, C, as per the application. So only entering in some state means you will get one output. That is a Moore machine. And transiting from one state on an input, which will produce the output, that is the Milli machine. Yes. So today we'll see this example how to design a Milli and Moore machine over input. Sorry, let me correct it. Over input symbols 0, 1, 2. So how many input symbols are there? How many input
Three.
symbols?
Three symbol.
Three input symbols 0, 1, and 2. So this is some you have to concentrate because many examples we have seen in which only two symbols either A, comma B or 0 or 1. But please read the question carefully in exam also. What are the input symbols given? Here three input symbols 0, 1, 2, which will print. Now what we expect that the design Milli or Moore machine should print residuo modulo 5 of the input ternary means base 3 number. So tell me what will be the input to this machine? Input to this machine will be ternary number means one number, but this number is of base 3 means ternary number. Yes, so let's try to list out the ternary numbers as an example, as a sample. Let me draw one table which will helpful for us to find out. Let's say I'm going to write down what is the decimal and how that decimal will be represented in the as a ternary number. Yes, recall binary number means every number will be represented using only two symbols 0, 1. Similarly, ternary means every number will be represented using three numbers 0, 1 and 2. So if I list them, suppose for first few numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's say for these 7 numbers we try. Okay. Let this 7 number is a decimal number. So how can we represent that in a ternary number? This first column is a decimal number and second column we expect. Yes, 0. Correct. Is it correct?
Yes,
0
sir.
will be 0. Number 1 will be represented by 1. Number 2, sorry. Number 2 will be represented as a 2 because we can use this symbol also. 2, ternary. But when we come across 3, it will be 1 and 0. If you recall how we represent the binary number 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1. Yes, then 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Like that, we are going to trace now ternary numbers. So 0 is 0, 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 1, 0. Let's try for 4. Yes, can you help me? 4 means 1, 1.
100.
5 means 1, 2. Is it correct? Then 6 in decimal means yes, 2 and 0. Yes,
20.
7 in decimal. Sorry, 7 decimal in ternary will be 2 1. So
Two,
likewise, the ternary numbers are. Let me give the heading. This is the set of decimal numbers. Sorry, I have to shorten the font. Let's say these are the decimal numbers. Yes, now we expect the. Okay, this is the set of ternary numbers. So let me write that heading. Ternary numbers. Now tell me if we will divide. What we want, what we expect? Residuo modulo 5. So we want to find that if we divide any of this number by 5, what is the remainder? So mod 5 we want to find because we expect to design the Moore and Mealy machine which will print residuo modulo 5 of a given input number. So if given input number is 0, tell me what will be the, if we divide 0 by 5, what will be the remainder?
0.
0, correct. If we divide 1, sorry, let me increase the font. Still it is less. Okay. So for the 0, remainder will be 0. If we divide 1 by 5, what will be the remainder? It will
4.
be 1, correct? For 2, for 3, remainder 3. For 4, remainder 4. Don't forget this 1 0 means 3 in decimal. Ternary representation is 1 0, which means 3. 1 1 means 4. But when we divide 1 2 by 5, then that will be 0 remainder. Do you agree? Because 5 divided by 5 will be, there will be no remainder. Yes. Next 6 means 1 remainder. 7 means remainder. So like this, if you observe, this cycle will repeat. So if you will find that these 4 numbers will repeat. 0 remainder, 1 remainder, 2 remainder, 3 remainder, 4 remainder. Again, if we go down 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, it will repeat 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, it will repeat 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So these are the 5 different possibilities whenever we will divide any ternary number by 5. Do you agree? Do you all agree? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Any ternary number, when we will divide by 5, these will be the 5 different possibilities. And that's why for this Moore or Mealy machine, we will have 5 different states. I repeat, as these are the 5 different possibilities, and these 5 different possibilities will be repeated for next cycle for any number. 5 different possibilities means we will have 5 different states for this Moore and Mealy machine. So let me write those states. Let me write, say here, state. This first state, let's say, is a Q0. Second state, let's say Q1. Third is Q2. Fourth is Q3. Fifth is Q4. Yes, what will be the sixth state? Yes, what should I write here? Q5?
Q0.
Q0, correct. It will not be a Q5 because only 5 possibilities are there. Only these 5 possibilities are there. Q0 means no remainder, Q1 means 1, Q2 means 2, Q3 means 3 remainder, Q4 means 4 remainder. After that, when it will come to the 5, it will divide totally, so no remainder will be there. So it will repeat Q0, Q1, Q2 like this. So I hope you understand how we are able to find out the states for this. So let me recall you for DFA also we have seen binary division, ternary division, divisibility by 3, divisibility by 4, divisibility by 5, even for a binary number or ternary number. So all are having the common solution. Clue is you check out what are the different remainder states, and as any remainder state in that number system by given number, those many states will be for that finite automata. I hope you all clear this. Yes, because this logic will be helpful for you for a deterministic finite automata also and Moore and Mealy machine examples also. So I hope this is clear to you. Shall we move next? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So from given number system and we want to divide it by 5, we able to trace that which will be the different states. So now let me draw those states and then we will check the transition. And we have to do it for both. We have to do it for, let's say, first we start from Mealy machine. Fine. So let's start. How many states I have to draw? Yes. How many states I have to draw? 5 states. Correct?
5 state.
Yes, correct. So let me draw those 5 states. And in this 5 state, which will be the final state? Can anyone tell me? Which one will be the final state? Can anyone tell me?
Q0.
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 Or others? Any another answer? Any another answer? Unfortunately, this answer is wrong because if you remember yesterday, we have seen that these machines don't have a final state. Please remember this. No final state. No any state is a final because every state is giving the output. Are you getting me? Every state is giving the output. Either it is maybe a 0 or 1, but every state is producing the output. So no final state. Let me show the transitions and remaining transitions we will together try to find. This is the initial state. Let me write the labels for this state. Let's say this is a Q0. Again, see, remember that we are tracing this. Q0 means 0 remainder state, Q1 means 1 remainder state, Q2 means 2, Q3 means 3. I hope you will remember this because that is the heart of the solution for this problem. After Q4 there will be no any new state. Again Q0, Q1, that transitions will be there. So let's check. If I am in Q0 state means I have the string 0. Correct? Are you all with me? I am in state Q0 means I have an input 0, 0. That may be a single 0 or number of 0. Correct? Yes? Tell me, give me your quick feedback.
Yes.
Great. Now we have to find out 3 transitions from this Q0. We have to find out 3 transitions from Q0. Means in Q0, if you read 0, where it will go? If you read 1, where it will go? And if you read 2, where it will go? Can you tell me why I'm saying only these three? 0, 1, 2? Can anyone tell me why only 0, 1, 2? I'm saying?
Because our input is
Input
0 and 2.
symbol. Because ternary.
Yes, you both are saying correct. Our input symbols are 0, 1, 3, and why these are 0, 1, 3? Sorry, 0, 1, 2 only? Because we
It's a
are
ternary.
ternary numbers. Very correct. So
Ternary is a
if I
0
read
and 2.
0, if I read 0, what is this number?
0.
In Q0
Zero.
already 0. Yes. So
0.
if I read 0, it becomes 0 means, and if I divide it by 5, divide it by 5. 5 means 1, 2 internally. Okay, don't take this as a 12. So if I divide it 5, what will be the remainder?
0.
Remainder will be 0.
Zero.
Which is our state, which means that remainder 0
Q0.
Q0 state.
Q0.
means, can I show like there is a self loop,
Self loop.
correct? There is a self loop. Sorry, let me change the color. There is the self loop. What is the input we are saying?
0, 0. 0.
Zero.
Input is 0 and output is
0. 0.
0. Because,
0.
how much remainder it is going to print? 0 remainder is going to print.
Zero.
So it will be 0. So this is one state. Okay, let's try. Next. If I am in Q0, means 0 will be the input, and if next input is 1. So what is this number? 0, 1. 0, 1 means
1.
1.
1.
1.
If I mod it by 5, then remainder will be
Remainder is 1. 1.
1.
you should go to the state which is remainder 1, that is a Q1.
Q1.
Correct. So I will show one transition from Q0 on Q1. This transition will go if in Q0 you read 1, and what will be the output? If it reads 1, remainder is what? 1.
1.
So that will be the output. See, first is the input oblique output. That is the millimachine. Correct. Now only one
Yes,
is
sir.
remain for this Q0. Q0 means 0 already. And if you read 2, so this will be the ternary 2. Ternary 2 divided by 5. 1, 2 means ternary 5. Then remainder will be 2. Agree? Yes. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I should show
Yes, sir.
the transition from Q0 to that state which is having the remainder 2. So can you tell me remainder 2 state is which is that state?
Q2.
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 That's why, correct. That's why I am going to show the transition from Q0 to Q2 after reading the symbol 2 as an input, and output is also 2 because remainder is 2. Is it clear? Is it clear to you all? Please give me the feedback.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very few yes, I am listening.
Yes, sir.
Let go once on chat and say yes. How many of you are understanding this? Yes, I do expect in chat. Fortunate, okay. Let me check my window. I'm not getting updated with the latest chat. Sorry. Okay. Fine. Thank you. Okay, so shall we move further? Great. Thank you for your support. Let's go for next. Similarly, now all the transitions from Q0 we completed. Let's try for transition of Q1. Q1 means already what we will have? Q1 means already we have 1. Correct? In this, if we read 0, 1, 0 in ternary means which number?
3.
0 is 3.
3.
3 mod 5. 1, 2 means 5, which will be equal to
3.
3.
Means we have to go to that state which is having remainder 3. So can you tell me which state shows that remainder is 3?
Q3.
Q3. Q3.
So from Q1, if we read 0, it will go to Q3. Correct? Let me show it because we will have more transitions. So there should not be any confusion. We have to maintain the space or to show the other transitions. Okay, so this is in Q1. If we read 0, yes, it will read 0 is the input. What is the output? Please tell me what is the output?
3.
3.
Because reminder is 2. Great. You are doing well. Now we check for 0 input. Let's check for 1 input. Already we are in Q1 means 1 is there. If we read one more 1, it means that ternary 4. Ternary 4 divided by 5. Ternary 5. What will be the output?
4.
4. Correct. So Q4 is the state which specifies that 4 output. Correct.
Yes.
So we have to show one transition from Q1 to Q4. I hope you all are getting this. Input is 1 because we are reading 1, and what is the output we are getting?
4.
4. Correct. Very correct. So we have seen here for 0 and 1. Let's check for third input. If we read 1, sorry, 1 is already there, means Q1. If we read 2, 1, 2 means 5. So 5 mod 5. What will be the remainder?
0.
0.
5 mod 5 will be 0, correct? Means I have to show, I have to transit from Q1 to that state which shows the 0 remainder, and we know that is a Q0. So I will show that from Q1, after reading 2, we will go to the Q0. So input is 2. What is the output?
0.
Output is 0. There is 0 output because no remainder is there. Perfect. So we have completed Q0 and Q1. Let's move to Q2. Is it easy or difficult?
Easy.
Yes. Easy.
Easy.
But remember one thing. In exam, don't do any hurry to solve these examples. Please be patient and take some time and focus on accuracy, because a single transition mark, wrong transition mark, may lose your marks. So I hope you will solve that with patience. Okay, we are in Q2. We are in Q2 means 2 is already there. If we read G2 0, 20 means what?
6.
Yes, 20 means 6.
6.
Correct. 20 mod 5. 6 mod 5 means
1 remainder.
1 remainder. So from Q2, after reading 0, we will go to 1 remainder state, that is a Q1. So let me show that. From Q2 to Q1, this will be the transition. This will be the transition. This transition is, input is 0, output is 1. I hope you are all with me. You are getting this. Next, input is 2. Sorry, already is 2 and input is 1. So 2 1. 2 1 means
7.
7.
7 mod 5 means
2.
2. So it will remain, remainder will be 2. So Q2 and itself. Do you agree? Q2 to go to itself after reading 1. So there will be a self loop, because 2 remainder state is the same state in which we are reading. So there will be one self loop. Input is 2, input is 1 and output is 2 remainder. So output will be 2. Let's check for next. 2 already there, and if one more 2 is there, 2 means
8.
8. 8 divided by 5 means 3 remainder.
3.
Correct? And 3 remainder is a Q3 state. So I have to show this transition Q0, Q2 to Q3. Input is 2. Already 2 is there. Next symbol is 2. 2 means 8. 8 divided by 5 means 3. So output is 3 remainder. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So we have completed Q2 also. Let's try to find out for Q3. For Q3, yes, Q3 means already 3 is there. 3 remainder is there. Correct. After that, if we read 0, 3 0. Yes, 3 0 means what?
9.
9.
Sorry. Just sorry. 3 is not the symbol. Extremely sorry. 3 means 1 0. Correct. 3 means 1 0. So this is already there. We are in Q3 means we have 1 0, 3 number. If we read one more 0, so 1 0 0 in ternary means 9. 9 mod 5. Yes, 9 mod 5 will be
0.
9 mod 5. No. 9 mod 5 will be 4.
4.
Correct? 9 divided by 5. 4 remainder. Is it correct?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
So from Q3 after reading 0, we should go to the state which having remainder 4, and that is a Q4. So we will go here. Input will be 0 and output will be 4. Perfect. Let go for the next. Now Q3 again means 1 0 already there. If we read 1 0 1 means 10. 10 more 5 is
0.
0. So we have to show yes, where it should go from Q3.
Q0.
Q0.
Correct.
Q0.
So let me show this from here. This state is nothing but up in Q3 after reading 1, it is giving output 0. Correct, because it becomes 10. 10 divided by 5 is a 0. So output is 0. Great. Let go for next. 1 0 is already there, and if we read 2, 102 means 11. 11 mod 5. Yes, 11 mod 5 means
1.
1. Perfect. So from Q3 on, from Q3, yes, any query?
Q1.
Yes. Okay, great. So it should go to the Q1 because 1 remainder state. Bear with me, I am drawing in paint, so it not might be proper. But in notebook you can draw well these things. Sorry, the arrow must be there. Yes. So from Q3, if we read 2, it gives the output 1. Correct? So we have completed Q3 also. Let go for last Q4. Q4 means what? How we represent the 4 in ternary? 4 in ternary is 1 1. Correct? So if we read 0, 1 1 0, 1 1 0 means what? Check it out. 1 1 0. Yes.
12.
1 1 0.
12.
Can someone put it on the paper and try? 1 1 0 means what number? Just a minute. Let me figure it out. If you find, tell me. Even if even you can try on the mobile also. Yes, 110. Yes, does anyone get the result? 110 means, or does it wrong? Just a minute. 110 means 12. Is it correct? 110 means 12. Yes,
Yes,
correct.
sir.
Okay. So divided by 5. So what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 2, correct?
2.
Yes. So from Q4 on 0, we should go to the Q2. That transition we
Q2.
should show. So Q4, after reading 0, we should transit to this. So input is 0 and output is 2. Next, yes, 111.
111.
1.
111 means 13.
13.
Yes, mod 5. So it will go for remainder 3.
3.
3.
Correct. So I have to show the transition to Q3. Okay, and this transition will be on input 1 and output 3. Now only one transition is remained. Already one is there. If you read 2, this means 14. 14 mod 2. 14 mod 2 means
14
4.
mod
4.
5.
Correct. So there will be a self loop. There will be a self loop because 4 state, 4 remainder state is the same state. Great. So now it will be input is 2 and output will be 4. So we have checked for Q4 also for all options. Correct? So this is your final answer. This is the milli machine. This is the milli machine which will print residuo modulo 5 for any given ternary number. Any number you will input, it will check and it will print always a reminder. That reminder may be 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. So do you agree this is the output machine? Why we are saying this is output machine? Because see, at every input it is giving the output. That output may be 0, output may be 1, 2, 3 or 4 for this example. But yes, every input is giving the output. Correct? Yes, correct.
Yes, sir.
Does anyone have any query for this? Anyone has a query?
No, sir.
I found that many students left. 7, 8 students left. I don't know why. Okay, great. So shall we go for more machine now? If you don't
Yes,
have,
sir.
okay, okay. Very simple more machine is because in milli machine we have done max of the task. Max of the task we have done in milli machine. So let me go for another. Let me give the heading. See, for this example, fortunately, max of the task we have completed in this milli machine. For this example, max of the task we have completed. So it is very beneficial for us to convert or to draw the Moore machine. Can anyone tell me how many states will be there in Moore machine? How many states will be there in Moore machine?
4 steps.
4 state.
4 state or 5 state? Yes. 4 state? Please speak because I will understand that. Have you understood the concept clearly or you have any doubt in your mind? How many states will be there in Moore machine?
5 states, sir.
5 state. Do you all agree 5 state in Moore machine also? Please give me quick reply on chat. Yes. Do you agree that there will be 5 states in Moore machine also? Or you have any another answer? 4, 3, 2, 1, 6. Am I audible? I'm not getting the response from you people.
Yes, sir. We are giving
Okay,
response.
sorry. Screen. Okay, 5 states. 5 states. Correct. So that is correct because either it is a Moore machine, Mealy machine, or any DFA. We have selected 5 states because these are the 5 possible residual output. Remainder output will be there. So let me draw. But now, as you remember, one change we have to do. Only one change we have to do is now every state will represent the output. What are the what output we expect? What is the remainder of a given ternary number if we divide it by 5? So there are 5 possibilities. Either output will be 0, either output will be 1, output will be 2, output will be 3 or 4. So those outputs we must have to show inside the state itself. That is the Moore machine. State is associated with the output. So when I will say this is the state Q0, Q0 means what? Q0 means
Reminder.
state. So I have to show the output here itself. So state backslash and 0. Q0 state which gives the output 0. Correct? Q1 means what? Which gives the output 1.
1.
One.
1.
Q2 means which gives the output 2. Q3 means which gives the output 3.
3.
And 4 means, so which will be the final state in this? Which will be the final state?
No fine.
No final. No
No
final
final
state.
state.
Because every state is giving the output. Fine. For a transition, what you will suggest? Can we use the same transition as that of the Mealy machine here? Let's check. Now we are in Q0 means we have already input 0. If we read 0 means 0.
0.
Mod 5 means it will be 0. Yes. So after reading 0, it is going to that state which is specifying output 0. So which state?
Self loop.
Self loop.
Correct. Okay. Let me show those states. Self loop, correct? Sorry. Yes, self loop is there. After reading 0, output is also 0. Sorry, no need to show the output, only the input you have to show. In Q0, if you read 0, you goes to next state in the same Q0, which is with the output 0. So it will print the 0. Then if you go for 1, 0, 1, mod 1, 2, what will the output?
1.
1. So one output state is Q1. So yes, one output state is Q1. So we should show that here. Fine.
Q0 to Q1.
And input is 1. Now no need to show output on transition. Output is shown in the state. And if we read 2 mod 5 will give output 2. So we have to move to that state which is giving the output 2, and yes, Q2 is giving the output 2. So we have to show this transition here.
Q2.
And input is 2. If we check for these 3 transitions only, let me pick this up. so that in one screen view you can check it. Yes. So in Q010, where it goes? Q0 in milli machine. In Moore machine also Q010 it goes to the same state. In Q0 on 1 input it goes to Q1. Q0 on 1 it goes to Q1. Q0 on 2 it goes to 2 in milli machine.
Q2.
Same for Q2. So I hope you understand that. Now transitions will be same. All those transitions we have traced for milli machine will be same. Only the difference is that we don't have to show after this backslash and output. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Do you,
Yes, sir.
the same logic we are going to apply. The current state is 1 means 1, 0, where it goes, 1, 1, where it goes, 1, 2, where it goes. So the same logic we will apply. So for a Q1, I have to show the same transitions. See, from Q1 on 0, Q1 on 0, if you observe, it goes to Q3. Q1 on 1, Q1 on 1, it goes to Q4. And Q1 on 2, it goes to Q0. So same transitions we will show. Q0 on 0, it goes to Q3. Let me write that. And only input you have to write. Q0 on 1 means it becomes 4. So it will go to the reminder state of 4. Am I correct? Are you with me? Yes, input is 1. And if input is 2, it will form a number which will fully divisible by 5. So it will go to Q0. So just I have copied it. These states, three directions. Is it clear to you all? Transitions will be same. Are you with me? Transitions will be same. Yes, please give me quick feedback.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
great,
sir.
great.
Yes, sir.
So I will not complete it. I will leave it to you to complete these transitions. I will leave it to you to complete these transitions. But this is the example of Moore and milli machine. So today we will stop here. For today we will stop here. But probably tomorrow will be the final lecture where we will complete. We will understand the convergence. Not tomorrow, in the next week. We will understand the convergence, Moore to milli and milli to Moore. Is it okay? Any doubt in this today's session? Do you understand how to construct the milli machine, how to construct the Moore machine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
Great then. One more thing. Okay, I will share the theory assignments now. Theory all question bank for this unit 1. You take your time for 3-4 days till Wednesday and try to solve all the theory questions on unit number 1. Please note that this question bank is the most probable questions in final exam and definitely will appeal you to think on. Fine. So the next assignment I will share that for a question bank and also the assignments on the topics which we have not taken separately. So today or tomorrow I will share. As you get the time according to your plan, please solve them and submit. Students, please remember that now I am asking you to submit those on the Google Classroom. But later when college will start, I will check your notebooks also because you are solving that in the notebook. So hope, as I instructed from the first lecture, you have created you have assigned a separate notebook for this talk. Okay, so this is all about for today's lecture. This is all about today's lecture. But don't leave give some instructions to you. Please listen me. Okay, sorry. Yes. Listen.